Welcome back to the yard. This is part 3, and basically it's not part 3. It's already off, guys. Yeah, popped a couple of bolts and it came out. So the bolts that was up under here, we had to take the box apart. We had to pull the box apart, which is simple. Got these little things on the side, which you just pop it up on both sides, and there will be 2 screws. One will be red. I don't know if you can see it shortly. There'll be red there. That little hole right there. That'll be one, and over here it will be another one. So mainly it's these screws, the ones from up underneath. You have to go in here, pop it up, and to unscrew it from the inside. Yeah, from the inside. And I got the screws in here somewhere. Got both screws in here. There'll be this screw right here. That's the screw you got to screw from the inside. And my other one, which I like I said in I think part 1 or part 2, video 1 or 2, I broke that. That's welded. It's like welded to the fender. This part right here is welded to the fender. So now I have to just screw them back together on the fender when I put it back together. But let's fully take this thing off. This is as far as I got with it. That part under there, I thought it had a screw on it, but I don't think it does. So I'm gonna put this camera to the side here. We're gonna pull this thing off. Let's see if that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, pull this thing off. Well, guys, I put it on. Probably got a screw down here. Yeah, I think we got a screw down here. Screw that I can't see. Got one down here that I can't see. Take that off. Make sure you put it back. You do this yourself as well. Okay, where does this go? This goes on the screw. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here. We got a screw somewhere back in there. There we have it. The fender is off. And this thing is bent up pretty bad. It's bent up pretty bad. I thought it was that bad, but it is. Okay. As we see, this fender is bent right here. That ain't how it's supposed to be. That is not how it's supposed to be. You can tell that. Folded in right here, lapped under, bent right here. We probably can straighten that, cause this fender don't seem like it's in bad enough condition where it can't be repaired. Seems like it can be repaired, so that's what I'm going to try to do, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's turn it up here and look at what we got to deal with. Don't want to put too much pressure on it. Don't want to bend it any more than it is. But see that? This thing right here is supposed to be straight. See how bad it's bent? Gotta straighten that. That is really, really bent. Bent pretty badly. See if we can fix it, but if not, we gotta buy 2 fenders. I mean, if I can find 2 fenders for the same color, with the same color, I'm good. I'll get it. Same color, and has to be the same color, and it has to be the same kind of fender with the built-on flares. With the built-on flares, see? This is the flare that's built on. It's part of the fender. But a lot of these fenders on these Escalades got the ones that you take off. Like, say this, like this padding right here on the door, that's plastic. A lot of these Cadillac Escalade got these, and it continues all the way back here. All of this be like that plastic that sticks on there like that, see? So the whole thing be like that. But this one has the metal and got the plastic flares on. So it gotta be this kind. I do not want the ones that has this material on the fenders. Yeah, I don't want that. So I saw one like last year when we first bought this truck. I saw one. I was gonna get both of them same color, but only problem was they had these plastic little what do you call them, molding. They had the plastic molding, not the metal like this. So may have to straighten this little piece too, this little metal piece. I'm looking at something here that's kind of bent. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta look at my Suburban and see if my Suburban like that, cause it's like something hit up under here pretty good. That's how I messed the fender up so bad over here. So I messed this fender up pretty bad, but this was a tricky one. It looks, it looks to be fine, but then when you really look at it closely, you got some damage. So I gotta make sure, man, that this truck ain't more damaged under here than what I can see. I gotta make sure that damn frame ain't damaged. Hopefully not. But I gotta make sure of that because I do not want to put no more money into something. I got a good frame, but I'm not going through all that with this old truck. I'm not gonna strip the frame on my Cadillac, on my Suburban, and get that frame and put it on this one. That's something I would probably do like maybe 10 years ago. 10 years ago or so, yeah, I would have done it. I would have taken the body clear off the frame and swap. Not now. I would not. No. Never, ever do that again. Well, I never done it before, but I would never do it. Yeah, but we gotta straighten this. Straighten them little pieces. And see if we can straighten this the best way we can. I need to go look at my Suburban, see how that looks. But really, the piece down there needs straightened. And see if we can put it back on and adjust it. You know, all the gaps look decent. And there you have it. But if not, we'll be looking for 2 new fenders. Well, not new fenders. We'll be looking for 2 fenders. Yeah, we'll be looking for 2 fenders. Two fenders. Let me pop this fuse box back together. Let me pop this thing back together. Yeah. There you have it. Back together. Alright guys, I think this is the end of, I don't know if you can call that a series, but this is the end of this. We got the fender off, so got it off. Now we got to try to see if we can get it straightened and put back on, because I don't see any damage to this radiator support. It looks good, but I got to do more. I got to look more up under there and see if I see anything. But as far as just looking at it right here, everything looks fine. Radiator's not damaged. Condenser is not damaged. All coolers not damaged. So yeah, I think we're good. Just gotta check it out and make sure. So guys, that is the end of this one. Okay, it's the end of this one, and we will see you in the next one when we're again back in the yard. Yeah, yard 2 trailer, car hauler. Yeah, because I'm going to get this Cadillac Escalad fixed again so we can pull this trailer, guys. We can pull this. I gotta pick up two of those cars at yard 3. Yard 3, yeah. So we gotta get 2 of those cars and put them at yard 1. Yeah. You gotta pick those 2 cars up at yard 3 and put them in yard 1. And this is the thing we gotta do it with. Because I am not going to U-Haul and rent another trailer when I got this one. But the only problem is I don't think Big Christ, aka the Aspen, can carry this big thing. I don't think Big Christ can carry this. It probably can, but I am not going to take that chance. I know my Suburban pulled it, so I know the Escalade can pull it. Because the engine is bigger and the transmission is stronger, baby. So I know it'll pull it. So I got no problem with that. But Chrysler, aka Big Christ, I don't think it can pull this. I could be wrong. But I would not try it. I will not try it. So we gotta get this Escalade fixed so we can pull this. Yeah, and we can go pick up those 2 cars and take them to yard 1. Yeah. Okay guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you again when we're back in the yard. No, not 1, 2. Peace.